guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a spring makeup tutorial. It's that time of year. I do these every single year. And yeah, today's just going to be a really quick, easy, natural spring makeup that makes you look fresh and yeah, just perfect for this time of year. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to use my Barry Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water. And then for primer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques stippling brush to blend it all in. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation, in the shade LC1. So I'm just going to use this all over my face today. And I'm going to use my Morphe Flawless Beauty Sponge to blend it all out. The thing about this foundation as well is you do need to use a lot of it, so it's really annoying, but never mind. So yeah, that foundation definitely gives just a natural light coverage, and it does give like a natural glow as well. Now for concealer, I'm going to use the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in Fair. I'm going to use my Real Techniques sponge to blend that out. Now for powder, I'm going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder in the shade Transparent. As you can see, I love this powder. I've hit pan big time. I'm going to take my e.l.f. small tapered brush to set underneath my eyes. And I'm going to use my U Spicy 31 brush to set the rest of my face. Now I'm going to move on to the eyes. And for the eyes today, I'm going to use the Morphe 35T palette. I think this is the Taupe, that kind of palette. And I'm going to be using like pinky shades for spring. So I'm thinking of using maybe this as my main colour, and then some browns and some pinky colours just as like my transition shades. And to start with, on my Morphe M441 brush, I'm just going to take this colour here. Second row, second one in. It's like a brown matte shade. I'm just going to take a little bit of that. And I'm actually going to mix it with the one next to it here as well. And I'm just going to pop that through the crease a little bit. I'm also going to bring that down into the outer corners a little bit as well. Then I'm going to take this pink shade, using my little finger, I'm just going to pop that all over the lid. Actually, change my mind, I don't like that how it looks on my eye for spring. So I'm going to take my Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Falling Up. I'm going to put that all over the lid instead. That's like a nice pinky spring colour. That's more of a spring colour, this one here, to me. So I'm going to pop that all over the lid. It's much better look that I was going for. So I'm just going to take my brush again, and I'm just going to blend everything together. Then I'm going to take this Morphe E18 brush, and I'm just going to use the same shadows from the palette on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take my Colourpop eyeliner in the shade Brew-HaHa. And my NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. And then my KIKO Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara, and I'm going to curl my lashes with these Tweezerman eyelash colours. So want to put too much mascara on because I kind of want to be fresh and as natural as possible with this makeup tutorial. So I just put a little bit on. Now moving on to the rest of my face. So first of all, I'm going to contour using the NYX blush in the shade Taupe. This is a really good contour for fair skin. And I'm going to use my Spicy 27 brush and I'm just going to contour a little bit. And for bronzer, I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques blush brush to apply that to my face. Now for blush, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Le Blush in the shade Rose Pastel. It's my favourite blush to wear in the springtime. It's so vibrant, but so like amazing. I just love it. I'm going to take this Colourpop F1 brush to apply it to my cheeks. And then for highlight, I'm going to use my Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Flexitarian. This is like super blinding, but it's really good for people with pale skin. And I want to look fresh and glowy in the springtime, so I'm going to apply this to my face today, just a little bit, because it is so blinding. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques setting brush. And finally for lips, I'm going to use my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Maple Blondie. And this is the completed look. This was so easy to create today. It took such little time, super fast, super easy to do on a spring day. Yeah, and like these are all affordable products that I used as well. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!